how to log in to Booking.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily log in to your existing Booking.com account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, launch open any web browser of your preference and then type in Booking.com in the URL box and search. You'll find yourself in the official homepage of Booking.com. From the homepage, go to the Sign In button at the top right corner and click on it. You'll find yourself in the login area for Booking.com. Go ahead and enter the email address that you previously used while registering for Booking.com. You may also have chosen one of these options at the bottom. Select the same method that you previously chose. Since I created an account with email, I'm just gonna go type in my email address over here. After you do that, click on Continue with Email. You'll then come across this page where you'll need to enter the verification code that was emailed to your provided email address. Go open up your email inbox to check for the email. Once you open it, find it. Go ahead and type in the code that was sent to you. Once you do, click on Verify Email, and there you go. That's how you sign in to your existing Booking.com account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.